Hello there, this is Faith Chooks. Today we're going to look at words that are often confused or wrongly used. Words that are often confused or wrongly used, such as between and among. Between is used for two things or two persons. Example, share the sweets between Shade and Sandra. While among is used for more than two things or two persons. Example, let the children in the class share the sweets among themselves. Another one is been and been. Being is used with the verb to have, while being is used with the verb to be. Being is used for present, past, and future perfect tense or action, while being is used for past and present continuous tense or action. Example, we have been spoken to. That is past perfect tense. We are being encouraged to be hard working. That is present perfect continuous. Next is lend and borrow. When you give to someone, you lend, while the person collecting borrows. Okay? So someone may say, "Can I borrow your bicycle?" Or, "Please lend me your bicycle." So the giver is the lender, while the receiver is the borrower. Next, used to. Sometimes we hear people say, "I used to wake up at 6 a.m. every day." No, we don't use used to for regular actions. Instead, we say, "I wake up at 6 a.m. every day." But you can say, "I used to cry a lot when I was a baby." That is because used to goes with past action and not a regular action. Another one is there and there. There is used to identify a place, while there is used to show possession. It is used to show something that belongs to more than one person. Example, see the cat there. I can see the chicken over there. Then you can as well say, this is their house. Their house is beautiful, showing possession. All right? So this is where we start for today. We continue in our next class. See you.